All right, girls, let's decorate this tray. So I'm going to start with some greenery. I put the greenery on top, on my top tray. Then I put a cute little not lucky, just blessed sign. I'm loving using fabrics in my tiered trays now. So I grabbed this napkin from Hobby Lobby when it was 40% off. It's a napkin, y'all. And then I'm just going to put that on the edge. And then I also got this little cute little mini tea towel from Hobby Lobby. It's currently in the spring section. And I like it because it has a monogram, of course. The next thing that I'm going to put on there is a little house that I got from the Target dollar spot or the bullseye spot, and another house that I got from Hobby Lobby last Christmas and painted black. Now I got that flower also from the Target dollar spot, and I'm just going to put it in my Ray Dunn cup. And like when I decorate, I like to decorate in threes or in triangles. So you kind of see how that not lucky sign, the joy in the house makes a triangle. The last thing next to last thing I'm going to do is add in my garland. And I like to just let that drape on the tiered tray. And then I am going to add my party of four sign because I have a party of four. And then the last thing I'm going to add is my gather rolling pin. So what you think? How did it turn out? And you don't have to have a lot to decorate a tiered tray with. I would just start out with what you have until you can build up your collection. So let me know if you like this video. Drop a comment below if you want more.